talked about back when we were still ours. And every now and then, when your memory finds me, I'll close my eyes and send a silent prayer for the boy I used to love somewhere. You're happy, and somehow that's enough. I drove by our favorite place today, the little cafe on 8th Avenue, the one where we spent rainy afternoons, talking about dreams we'd never lose. The owner still remembers my name. He asked me where you've been. I smiled and said, you're doing fine, then changed the subject again. Your chair was empty by the window, but I could still see you there, laughing at something I don't remember, running your fingers through your hair. It's strange how a place can stay the same when everything else has changed. Our favorite place still knows our story. The walls still hold our memories. Every corner whispers your name, like you never really left. I sit alone where we used to be, trying to make peace with what I can't keep. But every road leads back to you and our favorite place. The songs are different now on the walls, but somehow every little thing still reminds me of us. I remember that October evening when you reached across the table and promised me forever, back when forever felt possible. Now I watch strangers holding